Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save YouTube videos to watch offline. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your YouTube application, here it is, and then you need to open any video you want to download. So after that, under channel, you will see different options, share, remix, and then you need to scroll to the left, this list of options, and then there is a download button. You need to click on that one button, here it is, and then you need to choose quality. So actually the important thing that downloading videos is only available for YouTube Premium users. So if you don't have YouTube Premium, you won't be able to download any video on YouTube. So you can actually click on try it for free button and then try this subscription for free. So if you already have YouTube Premium, you need to choose quality, for example high quality, and then at the bottom right click on the download button. So after downloading, you need to go to the home page in your YouTube application, and then at the bottom right click on U button, here it is, and then scroll down a little bit, and then here you will see downloads option, downloads folder. You need to open that one folder, and then you will see all downloaded videos, and then you can watch them, you can delete them, or do what do you want. So and that's all, and that's how to save YouTube videos to watch offline. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.